Want to get the most out of your workouts? What you eat before and after exercise can make a huge difference in your performance and recovery. In this video, I'll break down the best foods to fuel your body, boost energy, and speed up muscle recovery. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more fitness and nutrition tips. Let's get started. 1. Why pre- and post-workout nutrition matters. Eating the right foods before and after a workout is essential for maximizing performance and recovery. Pre-workout nutrition provides the energy needed to power through intense training sessions. It ensures that your muscles have enough glycogen, preventing early fatigue. A balanced pre-workout meal includes carbohydrates for energy and protein for muscle support. Post-workout nutrition is equally important as it helps repair muscles and replenish lost nutrients. After exercise, your muscles are more receptive to absorbing nutrients, making it the perfect time to refuel. Consuming the right foods post-workout enhances muscle recovery and prevents soreness. 2. Best pre-workout food. Bananas for quick energy. Bananas are one of the best pre-workout foods due to their quick digesting carbohydrates. They provide an immediate energy boost, making them ideal before intense workouts. Bananas are rich in natural sugars and fiber, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. They contain potassium, an essential electrolyte that supports muscle function and prevents cramps. The easily digestible nature of bananas makes them gentle on the stomach before exercise. Pairing a banana with peanut butter or Greek yogurt adds protein for sustained energy. Eating a banana 30 to 60 minutes before a workout ensures a steady energy supply. The natural antioxidants in bananas help reduce exercise-induced inflammation. 3. Oatmeal, a slow-releasing carbohydrate source for sustained energy. Oatmeal is an excellent pre-workout meal as it provides complex carbohydrates for long-lasting energy. Unlike simple carbs, oats release energy gradually, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. They contain fiber, which helps maintain stable digestion and keeps you full for longer. Oats are also packed with B vitamins, which help convert food into usable energy. Adding protein-rich toppings like Greek yogurt or nuts enhances their muscle fueling potential. A small amount of honey or fruit can add natural sweetness and additional nutrients. The beta-glucan fiber in oats supports heart health and improves overall endurance. Consuming oatmeal 1 to 2 hours before a workout allows enough time for digestion. 4. Chicken and brown rice, a high-protein pre-workout meal. Chicken and brown rice is a classic meal that provides both protein and complex carbs for training. The lean protein in chicken supports muscle maintenance and growth. Brown rice is a slow-digesting carbohydrate that provides sustained energy for longer workouts. This combination ensures that your body has the necessary nutrients to perform at its best. Brown rice also contains fiber, helping regulate blood sugar and digestion. Chicken is rich in essential amino acids, which prevent muscle breakdown during exercise. Preparing this meal with healthy fats like olive oil enhances nutrient absorption. Eating chicken and brown rice 2 to 3 hours before a workout allows proper digestion. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. 5. Greek yogurt and berries, a light yet effective pre-workout snack. Greek yogurt with berries is a great pre-workout snack that provides a balance of protein and carbs. The protein in Greek yogurt supports muscle preservation and reduces muscle breakdown. Berries contain antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress caused by intense exercise. The natural sugars in berries provide quick digesting energy to fuel workouts. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, which support gut health and digestion. Adding granola or nuts to the mix enhances the texture and nutrient profile. This snack is light on the stomach, making it ideal for early morning workouts. It also provides calcium, which is essential for muscle contractions and bone health. 6. Best post-workout food. Protein shake for fast recovery. A protein shake is one of the best post-workout meals for muscle recovery. It provides quick digesting protein, helping repair muscles damaged during exercise. Whey protein is particularly effective due to its high absorption rate and amino acid profile. Adding a banana or berries to a protein shake provides essential carbohydrates for glycogen replenishment. A scoop of peanut butter can add healthy fats and improve satiety. Drinking a protein shake within 30 minutes after a workout maximizes recovery benefits. It is a convenient option for those who need quick nutrition after training. Casein protein can be used for slower digestion if recovery is needed overnight. 7. Eggs and whole grain toast, a perfect muscle recovery meal. Eggs are a top-tier post-workout food, providing high-quality protein and essential nutrients. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them ideal for muscle repair. Whole grain toast provides complex carbohydrates, replenishing glycogen stores lost during exercise. The combination of eggs and toast balances protein, carbs, and healthy fats for recovery. Adding avocado or spinach boosts the meal with additional vitamins and antioxidants. Eggs are rich in choline, which supports brain function and muscle contractions. Cooking eggs in olive oil enhances their absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Whole grains keep blood sugar levels stable, preventing energy crashes after a workout. 8. Salmon and quinoa, a nutrient-dense recovery meal. Salmon is an excellent post-workout protein source due to its high omega-3 content. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and promote faster muscle recovery. Quinoa provides complete plant-based protein, along with complex carbohydrates for energy restoration. This meal supplies essential micronutrients like magnesium and potassium, aiding muscle relaxation. The healthy fats in salmon help regulate hormones essential for muscle growth. Quinoa is gluten-free and easy to digest, making it a great choice after workouts. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber ensures sustained energy levels. Salmon is also rich in B vitamins, which help with energy production. 9. Sweet potatoes and chicken, a muscle-building classic. Sweet potatoes and chicken make a perfect post-workout meal for refueling muscles. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates, helping restore glycogen levels efficiently. The lean protein in chicken supports muscle repair and growth after intense exercise. This meal is rich in vitamins A and C, which support immunity and reduce inflammation. Sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index, preventing blood sugar spikes. Cooking chicken with minimal oil ensures a balanced macronutrient profile. This meal is easy to digest and provides long-lasting energy. 10. Cottage cheese with nuts and honey, a nighttime recovery snack. Cottage cheese is packed with slow-digesting casein protein, making it ideal for overnight recovery. It helps repair muscles while you sleep by providing a steady release of amino acids. Nuts add healthy fats and additional protein, improving overall satiety. Honey provides quick-digesting carbohydrates, replenishing glycogen stores post-exercise. This combination supports muscle recovery and prevents nighttime muscle breakdown. The calcium in cottage cheese strengthens bones and aids in muscle contractions. This snack is easy to prepare and requires no cooking. Fueling your body with the right foods can take your workouts to the next level. What's your go-to pre- or post-workout meal? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and fitness insights. See you in the next one.